Now, as the legislative session begins tomorrow, it is also when one state senator's criminal case has a key hearing.
Woodbury DFL Senator Nicole Mitchell is facing a felony burglary charge in Becker County. Our Eric Chalou is here now to break down some of these key new filings in the case. Eric?
Lee and Paul, a Becker County judge decided that he will allow State Senator Nicole Mitchell to attend Tuesday's court hearing remotely. Mitchell's lawyers plan to argue that her trial should be moved until after the session. Prosecutors are now challenging that request, saying it goes against their efforts for a speedy trial. DFL State Senator Nicole Mitchell wants her trial moved until after the legislative session ends in the late spring. Her jury trial scheduled to start in just 2 weeks. Back on Friday, Mitchell's legal team filed this motion, saying in part that a state statute, along with an appeals court holding, found it authorizes the postponement of a judicial or quasi-judicial proceeding in which a legislator is involved while the legislature is in session. In this new filing, the Becker County attorney disagrees with the delay, saying in part there were 0 instances of the statute being used to delay a proceeding for the accused in a criminal proceeding. On Tuesday, the same day the session starts in St. Paul, a Becker County judge will hear more arguments on when the trial begins. Mitchell was charged with burglary after allegedly breaking into her stepmother's Detroit Lakes home last April. She's pleaded not guilty. We tried to speak with the senator at her last court date.
Hi, Senator. Any plans to resign your seat?
You're on.
Anything you want to say to your constituents?
Lawmakers are monitoring the court case. The Senate's currently tied between the DFL and GOP at 33-33. A special election will soon be held for an open seat in a historically strong DFL district of Minneapolis.
We have a very peculiar situation.
Carleton College political analyst Stephen Scheer says the trial has implications at the Capitol.
When will the trial occur? What will the verdict be? How will that affect what the majority is in the state Senate? All to be determined.
Mitchell's lawyers have shared she could attend tomorrow's court hearing remotely from her office at the Capitol. It's unclear if the judge will rule from the bench on whether to move that trial until after the session. We will be there in Detroit Lakes and let you know of all the developments.